GAYBUTTSECKS.
Yo, this is
Butt-Secks.
Alright, we're gonna go from front to back. First, got an Odyssey Aiken K-Light front tire, Hazard complete wheel, Odyssey classic forks, then Odyssey integrated headset with Odyssey GTX gyro shat, S&M Redneck XLT stem, S&M hotter bars. Love the sticker. Then I got Odyssey BMX stem cap, ODI long neck grips, then Odyssey mono lever. Yeah. Then my new frame, Sputnik Skyline V3, very nice frame, it's awesome. Then go down to my profile racing cranks, chrome, to my profile bottom bracket, then my Odyssey JCPC pedals, they're amazing. Then my Animal Cush seat, and to my back wheel is Animal GLH and chrome Odyssey Hazard complete wheel. And over here I have a Colt sprocket with the Shadow Conspiracy interlock chain, and back here I have Odyssey Evos with Odyssey clear brake pads, and that's my bike.
Let's do this.
GAYBUTTSECKS.
Oh,
GAYBUTTSECKS.